6 surprising olive oil benefits for males. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of health and nutrition, focusing on a staple that's found in kitchens around the world, olive oil. This golden elixir is not just a culinary delight, but a powerhouse of health benefits. But did you know that men, in particular, can reap some unique advantages from this oil? From boosting heart health to enhancing testosterone production, the benefits are numerous. So, stay tuned as we unravel the secrets of olive oil and its incredible benefits for men. Let's get started. Are you ready to unlock the secret to a healthier life? What if we told you that the key might be sitting in your kitchen cabinet right now? Yes, we're talking about olive oil. Stay tuned to discover how this common ingredient can offer extraordinary health benefits specifically for men. Don't miss out. 1. Male fertility. One of the most searched topics on the internet is male fertility. Male fertility issues are often overlooked, but today we will cover the benefits of olive oil for male fertility. Olive oil has many beneficial effects on the fertility of males. Extra virgin olive oil, EVOO, has vitamin E that has been linked to improve sperm motility and sperm count in males. Vitamin E is a fat-soluble vitamin that shields the cell membrane of sperm from oxidative damage in infertile men. Benefits of olive oil for male fertility. Olive oil can improve sperm motility and sperm count. Moreover, many studies have reported that the monounsaturated fatty acids in olive oil can enhance sperm morphology and sperm motility by reducing oxidative stress. Additionally, using olive oil in your meals can also have other potential health benefits such as inflammation reduction and improved cardiovascular health. 2. Glycemic control. The glycemic index is the measure of how much a specific food increases your blood sugar levels. Therefore, it is important to maintain healthy glycemic control for individuals with diabetes. A good glycemic level can prevent complications including kidney disease, eye problems, and cardiovascular diseases. It is seen that many lifestyle habits help in maintaining normal blood sugar levels, but recent studies have proved that using olive oil in your meal can be beneficial for men. Olive oil is enriched with polyphenols, an antioxidant, which helps in reducing inflammation and improving insulin sensitivity. This can lead to more stable blood sugar levels in males. Research conducted in 2017 shows that extra virgin olive oil, EVOO, may lessen the risk of diabetes and improve glycemic control in diabetic people. Moreover, it was seen that due to the presence of EVOO in the food, the postprandial, after meal, rise in glucose is reduced. Moreover, many studies have proved that taking olive oil can improve cardiovascular health, which is specifically necessary for men with diabetes, because men with diabetes are twice as likely to develop a heart condition. Hence, by swapping saturated fats with healthy monounsaturated fats in olive oil, men with diabetes can boost their glycemic control. 3. Weight loss following prostate cancer. For prostate cancer, it is recommended to lose weight. Moreover, if you're someone who has fought prostate cancer, weight loss is still an important component of your health. Well, in that case, olive oil has been shown to help reduce weight in males. One research conducted in 2017 has revealed weight loss results pursuing either a plant-based diet or the Prostate Cancer Foundation diet, which included 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, EVOO, per day for 8 weeks. People who stick to plant-based diets exhibited improvements in glycemic control and insulin sensitivity. In the long term, a plant-based diet with EVOO is more acceptable. Hence, it is preferred to add olive oil to your daily routine to lose weight and help yourself with prostate cancer. Now you might be wondering how mood and mental health are correlated and how are they related to olive oil? Well, the answer lies here. Research conducted in 2013 in Australia has identified a cause and effect relationship between our diet and mental health. The statistics on mental health issues in men are shocking. As per Beyond Blue, 1 in 8 men might experience depression and 1 in 5 men might encounter anxiety at some stage in their lives. In this regard, olive oil is helpful and has a positive impact on the mental health of men. A diet rich in olive oil is linked to a decrease in the symptoms of anxiety and depression in males. This can be due to the presence of high levels of antioxidants and healthy fats present in the olive oil. To support physical and mental health, it is better to use olive oil in the diet by adding it to salads or cooking. Therefore, it is reasonable to switch to olive oil to boost brain health and mood. 5. Reduce heart disease risk. Heart-associated diseases are very common in both men and women. Many risk factors can cause heart disease, but some research has shown that using olive oil in the diet can help lessen the risk of heart disease. Particularly for males, olive oil helps in inflammation reduction, heart health, and blood pressure improvement. There is growing evidence that a diet rich in monounsaturated fats can boost a balanced lipid profile. Moreover, olive oil can reduce heart conditions by lessening LDL cholesterol and triglycerides, simultaneously increasing HDL cholesterol levels. A study published in the Journal of the American College of Cardiology reported that people who shifted to olive oil had a lesser risk of developing heart disease. Therefore, if you want a flavorful way to reduce the risk of heart disease, consider incorporating olive oil into your diet. 6. Combats pain and inflammation. Chronic inflammation can cause several other diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, cancer, metabolic syndrome, arthritis, etc. Olive oil has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant compounds that can fight inflammation in the body and reduce pain. It is seen that EVOO can reduce inflammation in the body. Oleocanthal, an antioxidant, is seen to have a similar effect as ibuprofen. Moreover, research also suggests that oleic acid, a fatty acid, present in olive oil can lessen the levels of inflammatory markers like C-reactive protein, CRP. A study conducted in 2010 also revealed that antioxidants in olive oil can inhibit some proteins and genes that cause inflammation. Therefore, olive oil is beneficial to reduce pain and symptoms of rheumatoid arthritis. Olive oil is one of the common ingredients used in cooking and salad dressings. It has numerous health benefits for both women and men. It is not only beneficial for men's health but also has various benefits for women's health, skin, and hair. The benefits of olive oil for men cannot be overstated. For the males who are struggling for the betterment of their health, incorporating olive oil in their diet is a good initiative. By embracing EVOO in your diet, your heart, brain, prostate, and other body parts will thank you. That's it for today's video, folks. We hope you found our discussion on the benefits of olive oil informative and helpful. Remember, your health is your wealth. And small changes like incorporating extra virgin olive oil into your diet can make a big difference. If you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Your support means the world to us. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you won't miss our future videos. We have a lot more exciting and informative content coming your way. Thank you for watching, stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video.